Mobile device is like carrying a personal language tutor in your pocket. Guys, it's free and incredible powerful. So, if you are serious about mastering English, trust me, it's a game changer, guys. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to share something incredibly powerful that can transform the way you learn and use English. And trust me guys, this is not just another app recommendation. What if I told you there one app that can significantly enhance your vocabulary, improve your pronunciation and make you a more confident English speaker, all from the convenience of your mobile phone? Well, stick around because this video is going to change the way you approach learning English. Imagine guys, if you are reading an article or a book or you stumble across a word you don't know, what do? Do you skip it hoping to understand it from context, or do you interrupt your flow to searching for its meaning? What if instead you had a tool right at your fingertips that you could give the definition instantly, show how to pronounce it, and provide examples of how to use it in a sentence? Sounds amazing. Well, exactly what Google Dictionary or Google Translator can do for you. Let's talk about why Google Dictionary or Translator is the must-have app for anyone serious about mastering English. Guys, this app is not just a dictionary. It's a comprehensive language tool designed to make learning seamless and effective. Guys, whether you are a student or professional or just someone looking to improve their English skills, this app has something for everyone. One of the standout features of Google Dictionary is its instant definition. We all encounter unfamiliar words daily, and having the ability to look up these words in seconds is a game changer. No more guessing or skipping over words you don't understand. But guys, that just the beginning pronunciation can be a tricky aspect of learning English. Guys, have you ever felt unsure about how to say a word correctly? With Google Dictionary, you can hear the word pronounced by a native speakers. Just tap on the speaker icon and you will hear the correct pronunciation, helping you sound more natural and confident when speaking. So guys, understanding how to use a word in context is crucial. Google Dictionary doesn't just stop at definitions. It provides users examples that show you how the word fits naturally into sentences. This feature is invaluable for improving both your writing and speaking skills. And guys, you get to see the word in action, which helps cement in your memory. And here's another fantastic feature is offline access. You don't always have internet, especially when you are traveling or in areas with poor connectivity. Google Dictionary allows you to download dictionaries for offline use, ensuring you always have this powerful tool at your disposal, no matter where you are. So guys, if you are serious about improving your English, whether for exams, career advancement or personal growth, Google Dictionary is the app you need on your mobile device. It's like having a personal language tutor in your pocket, ready to help you at any moment. This app not only makes learning more efficient but also more enjoyable. It's user-friendly, comprehensive, and best of all, it's free. In the next part of this video, guys, I will show you exactly how to use Google Dictionary to get the most out of its feature. But before we dive in, make sure to hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon so you don't miss any of my future tips and tricks for mastering English. And also give this video a thumbs up if you are excited to transform your learning journey with this incredible app. Alright guys, let's get started and see how Google Dictionary can make you a fluent and confident English speaker. Now let me show you some of its best features. And now I am going to show you the icon as well as I will show you how it's going to use. As you can see, there is a Google Translator, or you can say Google Dictionary. This is okay. I'm going to open the dictionary. I'll just simply type a word, daunting task. So here it is written. You can see the Hindi meaning is here, chunauti-purn काम. Okay. Simply type a word into a search bar and you will get the definition in seconds. No more guessing or speaking over words you don't understand. Here the feature number 2 is pronunciation guide. Guys, one of the hardest part of learning English is knowing how to pronounce word correctly. Again, I am going to show you on my screen. Here is, you can see, this is a word which I have searched in front of you, or you can just listen a word here. Here is a speaker. Once you touch on that speaker,
daunting task,
the word is
chunauti-purn
it's going
काम.
to pronounce by the native speakers. With Google Dictionary, you can listen the correct pronunciation of any word. Now I am going to type a word. Just tap on a speaker icon and here you will learn it pronounced by a native speaker. Now the feature number 3 is example. Knowing a word definition is great, but understanding how to use it in a sentence is even better. Now you can see if I write a word, it shows examples for each word and how it fits naturally into sentences. This helps you learn the context and improve your writing and speaking skills. Now I'll show you the feature number 4. This is called offline mode. You don't always have internet access, but that shouldn't stop you from learning. So now you can see I turn off my net and I'll just type a word in it. As you can see on my guys, you can download dictionary for offline use, so you are never without this valuable tool even when you are on the go. So guys, having Google Dictionary on your mobile device is like carrying a personal language tutor in your pocket. It's perfect for student, professionals, or anyone looking to improve their English. So if you are serious about mastering English or just want to expand your vocabulary, make sure Google Dictionary is the one app you have on your mobile device. Trust me guys, it's a game changer. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tips and tricks. Also, let me know in the comments if you have any other must-have apps for learning English. So that's it for today's video. I'll see you in next video. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye. Take care.